G'day Australia, Coram from Universalfuze here. You might find yourself working on a late model Toyota, Camry or Hilux trying to do a speaker upgrade, and you might find that when you unplug the factory tweeter, the mid-bass driver stops working. That is because there is a link through in the plug, so the sound comes from the factory head unit to the tweeter, links through the connector to the mid-bass driver. This is the case on a few different Toyotas over the past few years, even some of the older ones and a few imports as well. So what you need to do is, after you've replaced the mid-bass driver in the door, which we've done here with a sweet set of premium Kenwoods, and then you locate and identify the tweeter plug, you need to make yourself some tricky little loop cables to loop through that plug. And I'll show you how we're going to connect them now. Right, so now you've got yourself your little link cables. Let me show you the placement. This is a view through the window. Sorry about the glare. But you're basically just linking the input and output wires from the original tweeter, which will convey the power through to the mid-bass driver in the door. You can then wire in your tweeter and crossover as required, placing the tweeter in the optimum listening position.